In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify store to Facebook and Instagram Shop 2025. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll have the official Facebook and Instagram app installed in your Shopify store so you can sync products and start selling across Meta surfaces. Before you begin, it helps to have admin access to your Shopify store and to the Facebook assets you plan to use, like your business manager, Facebook page, and Instagram professional account. If you don't have everything ready yet, that's okay. The app's setup flow will guide you. First, open your Shopify admin in your browser and sign in. This takes you to your main dashboard. From here, look toward the left sidebar and click into the area where you can search or access your apps. You'll see a search field at the top of the admin. Click it to highlight the box so you can type. In the search field, type Facebook and Instagram. You're looking for the official app by Meta that connects your Shopify products to your Facebook page and Instagram shop. When you see the Facebook and Instagram result appear, click it to open the app listing in the Shopify App Store. On the listing page, review the description so you know what data the app will access, and then click Install to add it to your store. Shopify will now prompt you to confirm permissions. This is standard for any app that needs to manage catalogs and sync product data. Click Install again to grant access and finalize the installation. After a moment, the app will open inside your Shopify admin. From here, the guided setup begins. You'll sign in to your Facebook account, choose the correct business manager, and pick the Facebook page and Instagram professional account you want to connect. You'll also either select an existing product catalog or let the app create one from your Shopify products. If you sell in a region that supports shops, you can enable a shop on Facebook and Instagram that uses checkout on your website. Make sure your products have clear titles, descriptions, images, prices, and that they comply with commerce policies. This helps with faster approvals. A few quick tips as you finish up. Keep your currency and tax settings consistent between Shopify and Meta. Ensure your shipping and return policies are visible on your site, and verify your domain in Business Manager if prompted. Product approvals can take some time, so don't worry if everything doesn't appear instantly. You can monitor sync status inside the app or in Commerce Manager. That's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to Facebook.